Here's a little quick review for my projector that I just purchased on Amazon. The CiBest, and the projector is probably 12 feet away from the wall, and it covers almost the whole wall, but it has a really good picture quality, and I have my Fire Stick connected to the projector, and the sound is coming from the projector, so it has its own projector. It has its own sound and its own remote, so you can control its own volume. It has a setting so you can set up picture ratio, aspect ratio. I think this is if you want to flip the screen, make it sideways or whatever. But yeah, it's a good projector. I got it on sale for $55.99. I believe that the price went back up, but for $55.99, this is one of the best projector ever that I got. Picture quality is really good.